In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix login issues in ChatGPT on your mobile. So you need to start by heading over to the Settings app on your phone. And then we're going to scroll down and click on General, and from here select iPhone Storage. Now you need to just scroll down at your list of applications until you find the ChatGPT app. Once you've found ChatGPT, just click on it like so, and then select Offload App. Confirm by pressing Offload App, and then you'll get this option to reinstall. Just go ahead and click on this and give that a few seconds while it reinstalls to your device. Once you've tried this, you can head back over to the ChatGPT application, click on the Sign Up button, and then try logging in with your account. If it's still not working, we're going to head back over to the Settings app on your phone, scroll down and select General, scroll down again and select VPN and Device Management, and from here, make sure you're disconnected from any VPNs. If you are connected to a VPN or you do have any VPN profiles here, then make sure you disconnect and delete any of your saved profiles. Another thing you can try doing is switching between your Wi-Fi and cellular data. So you can either try disabling your Wi-Fi and turning on your mobile data, or you can do vice versa and try disabling your mobile data and turning on your Wi-Fi. Once again, you can head back over to the ChatGPT application and check to see if that's fixed the issue. If it's still not working, you want to make sure you're logging in with the correct credentials. Now, one of the best things I like to do is select either continue with Apple or continue with Google, and that way it's linked to your Google account and we can just hit continue. And from here, it should sign you in straight away. So that's it, guys. That's how you fix your login issues in ChatGPT. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.